In the Appalachian Mountains of southeastern Kentucky, where the Pine and Cumberland ranges converge, the city of Middlesboro sits inside an ancient meteorite crater, the only city in the continental United States built within such a formation. It was here on February 20th, 2022, that Elena Rosalie Hembry was born to 19-year-old parents Erica Lawson and Trey Hembry. She was described as a goofy, laughing baby with bright blue eyes, round, chubby cheeks, and sandy brown hair. Her mother's social media showcased videos of the young family dancing together, a portrait of young love and new parenthood set against the backdrop of a small, tight-knit mountain community. Like many young couples, Erica and Trey eventually separated, with Erica maintaining primary custody of Elena and relocating to Mount Vernon, roughly 90 minutes north of Middlesboro. But in the late spring of 2023, the first shadow fell across the family. Erica's own uncle filed a report with the Middlesboro Police Department, alleging he had witnessed burns on Elena's knees and bruising on her body. Law enforcement responded to the allegations, but found themselves unable to locate the child or her mother when they attempted to make contact. The report was filed. The moment passed, and Elena remained in her mother's care. On July 28, 2023, 21-year-old Erica Lawson walked into the Middlesboro Appalachian Regional Healthcare Hospital carrying her 17-month-old daughter. Elena was struggling to breathe. According to Erica, the child had been having difficulty breathing for approximately 45 minutes before she sought medical attention. The moment hospital staff assessed the child, they recognized the severity of the situation. Elena was immediately airlifted to East Tennessee Children's Hospital in Knoxville. Social media reports would later claim that Erica drove herself to Knoxville, while Elena's father Trey and his parents accompanied the baby in the helicopter. At the Knoxville hospital, doctors placed Elena on a respirator and managed to stabilize her physically. But the child failed to show any brain activity. 2 days after being admitted, on July 30th, 2023, Elena Rosalie Hembry was pronounced dead. She was 17 months old. An unverified forensic document circulating on social media detailed skull trauma and widespread bruising, including in the child's anal region, suggesting not only physical violence, but sexual assault. Police were notified immediately. Within days, 21-year-old Erica Lawson was arrested and charged with manslaughter, criminal abuse to a child under 12, failure to report child abuse, and wanton endangerment. On August 4th, 2023, the Middlesboro Police Department released a statement on their Facebook page. They confirmed that DNA samples had been taken from multiple subjects and sent for testing. But the statement contained something more, an insinuation that sexual assault had occurred in the time leading up to Elena's death. For obvious reasons, this caused an immediate uproar on social media. Individuals online wished death upon the child's mother. A Facebook group called Elena's Army formed and grew rapidly. Rumors spread that Erica had allowed multiple men to sexually assault her daughter, that she had sold access to the child for drugs, that 4 to 6 suspects were in custody, that 2 more still walked free. On August 27th, a Bell County grand jury indicted Erica Lawson on 4 counts, including murder. That same day, Commonwealth's attorney Lisa Fugati posted on her personal Facebook page, celebrating that she had presented the case and that Erica now faced murder charges. The post included a screenshot of the indictment. Citizens demanded to know the names of other alleged perpetrators. In response, Fugati promised the DNA analysis was being expedited and would come any day. On September 5th, at Erica's arraignment, the Commonwealth announced its intention to seek the death penalty. Prosecutor Fugati took to social media repeatedly over the following months, publicly vowing that she would secure the death penalty against Erica Lawson. Throughout August and September of 2023, the community gathered to mourn. On August 1st, a memorial was held in downtown Middlesboro, where balloons were released for the child they called an angel. Elena's father, Trey, never considered a suspect, addressed the crowd through tears, describing his daughter's death as something no parent should endure. A pastor challenged the community to be nosy, to know their neighbors, to speak up when something seemed wrong. A former caretaker described making half-dollar-sized blueberry pancakes for Elena each morning. In September, Elena's Army held another vigil outside City Hall. On what would have been Elena's second birthday, the mayor declared February 20th, 2024 Elena Day, and a sign reading "No Justice, No Peace" hung above photographs of the baby surrounded by candles and stuffed animal. On January 25, 2024, Erica Lawson's defense counsel filed a motion to strike the indictment and remove the death penalty. The motion highlighted prosecutor Fugati's social media posts as misconduct, noting she had posted that Erica allowed and solicited sexual assault with multiple men before any evidence existed. But the motion's most significant revelation concerned DNA. Forensic results from the Kentucky State Police Lab, completed in August 2023, showed no male DNA was found during examination of the child's body. Despite the defense requesting these results multiple times, the Commonwealth took 5 months to disclose them. During those months, the prosecutor continued posting that DNA results were coming and arrests would be made, while already in possession of results showing no male DNA. On March 20th, 2024, the Middlesboro Police Department released a public statement confirming what the defense had revealed. The Kentucky State Police Forensics Lab found a lack of male DNA in the analysis. Additionally, the autopsy report cited Elena's cause of death as non-accidental, blunt force trauma. The narrative of multiple male perpetrators collapsed, but Erica Lawson remained in jail, held on $1 million bond, still facing the death penalty. In May 2024, the defense filed for a change of venue, citing widespread misinformation and death threats against their client. Prosecutor Fugati, meanwhile, lost her bid for re-election. Defense attorney Greg Coulson pleaded for the public to let the legal process work, stating that rumor and speculation rarely lead to truth. As of August 2024, no trial date has been set. The Commonwealth still intends to pursue the death penalty against Erica Lawson. The defense motions to remove the death penalty and change venue remain pending. The FBI is now involved. A petition for Elena's law continues gathering signatures, calling for harsher penalties for child abuse. But the case now presents uncomfortable questions. Why did official sources allow the narrative of sexual assault to dominate public discourse for months after DNA results proved otherwise? Can Erica Lawson receive a fair trial after months of lurid, unproven allegations that saturated the community? And most critically, did the rush to judgment, fueled by those sworn to uphold the law, create circumstances that may ultimately prevent justice from being served?